Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present the brilliant Vitara S. It's a limited edition model. It features the 1.4 litre Boosterjet engine. It's brilliant fun to drive. You see this particular vehicle's finished in the pearl white. It also has the black roof, which ties in very nicely with the 17-inch black alloy wheels. If you close up there. And the black mouldings on the bumper corners and the sides. The vehicle itself is in excellent condition. You can see you've also got the rear tinted privacy glass, which ties in particularly nice again with the black roof and alloys. The vehicle was originally sold by ourselves and has had just one owner from new. As well as this, it's been serviced with us every year, meaning it's got full main dealer service history and all work's being carried out by our factory trained technicians. The Vitara S has a number of excellent features. Let's have a look inside next. The first thing you'll notice is the leather and suede interior. Again, like the exterior, it's in excellent condition. You've got keyless entry and keyless start, as well as integrated controls in the steering wheel. Here you'll find Bluetooth and audio controls, as well as controls for the adaptive cruise control and speed limiter. In-car entertainment features the 7-inch colour touchscreen. Here you'll find reversing camera to work alongside the parking sensors, sat-nav, DAB digital radio and Apple and Android CarPlay. Got full climate control underneath, 6-speed box. The Vitara S also features the brilliant Allgrip 4-wheel drive system. Here you'll find 3 modes. Auto mode for everyday driving. You've got snow and mud mode for particular hard conditions. You've also got diff lock, and then for extra fun there's the sports mode. The rear of the vehicle, again, leather and suede. It's in excellent condition. You've got good leg room for rear passengers. As well as all this, the Vitara S also has advanced safety features. So it's 5-star NCAP safety rated, and has got the dual brake radar sensors. Before leaving, as always, the vehicle will come with 12 months MOT and be fully prepared and a service.